Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious limeade using a simple method. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh limes, granulated sugar, and cold water. You will need about 8 to 10 medium-sized limes to get enough juice. Also, make sure you have a large pitcher and a sturdy citrus juicer ready for the process. This easy recipe will yield a refreshing drink perfect for any occasion. Next, it is time to get that wonderful lime juice. Begin by washing your limes thoroughly, then carefully cut each one in half. Use your citrus juicer to extract as much juice as possible from every single lime. Our goal is to collect approximately 1 full cup of fresh, vibrant lime juice. This step is crucial for the bright, tangy flavor of your homemade limeade. Now, let us balance that tartness with some sweetness. In your pitcher, combine the 1 cup of fresh lime juice with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir this mixture thoroughly until all the sugar completely dissolves into the lime juice. This ensures a smooth, consistent sweetness. Finally, add 4 cups of cold water to your lime and sugar base, mixing it all together. Your refreshing limeade is almost ready. Give it a taste and feel free to adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding a little more sugar or a splash more lime juice if you wish. For a beautiful presentation, add plenty of ice cubes and a few thin lime slices to your pitcher or individual glasses. Serve your delicious homemade limeade immediately or chill it in the refrigerator for a perfectly cool treat later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.